Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good and doing good in your life. So today we will come up with a new video of how to install Shadcn in our React Vite project using a JavaScript variant and a Tailwind CSS. So there first we need to make a folder of whatever you want to make, and I just make a authentication front-end folder. There we have a node.md file. This is nothing but just a project requirement file. You just forget about this file and go with the documentation of a Shadcn. This is Shadcn, and go with the Vite. Okay, so this is a documentation of a Vite. All the things that we have to do are written there, right? So we are using our npm, or you can use pnpm, yarn or bun. So I am using npm. So just first copy npm create a Vite at the rate latest, right? Go there and open your terminal and just paste it. Okay, just paste it and click enter. So this is asking a project name. You can create a project name, either you just cancel this process and go there and add dot. This dot allows that all the file which we are include in this folder are written there, because in the authentication folder. Okay, so just add dot and click enter. So we have a pre-installed, pre-include in node.md file. So this is asking for a cancel operation, or removing existing file and continue, or ignoring file and continue. So we will go with the third option, that is ignoring file and continue. So this is asking, our next step is asking for a package name, authentication frontend. Just enter type I want that name and just enter, and go with the React framework and with a JavaScript variant. Okay, so these files are included there, and there is our npm install. Just copy it and paste it. The next command npm install, and this will install the node module package. Okay, so this is a basic React project setup with a Vite. Okay, and after that it will done, we will go with the next process, that is add tailwind css. So first we just copied this command and go there and paste it. So it installed tailwind css and tailwind css Vite. Okay, so this is done, and now go with the next step, that is include import tailwind css right in your index.css file. So just copy it and open our index.css file, and there something written there, just select and delete all the things and paste your command, which paste your code which you copied. Okay, and go with the next step, that is edit tsconfig.json file. So we are using JavaScript variant, so we have to make a jsconfig.json file, and go with our code and make a file of jsconfig.json. This is our jsconfig.json file, and just go there and copy your code. After copying, paste it there, and you need to remove this path because we don't have any TS path right away. Okay, so just do this, and then after go there, the next process, that is I skip this one, that is tsconfig.app.json, and add a npm install -d types node. We need to install types about node, right? So this is our command, and -d is used for a dep dependency, because this this package I don't want to push into production, so that's why I use -d. So it's install the dependency. After it, go with a CLI command, right? After that, we need to set up this file viteconfig.ts. So we have a JS file. Just copy this code and go to our viteconfig.js, select all and paste it whatever we have copied. Click OK. So this is a JS.config.json file showing some error, but this is not error, this is a warning. You just skip it and go to the next step of a documentation. This is our run CLI command. Okay, we have to install a Shadcn latest in it, right? Just copy it and paste it into the terminal, and it will install the Shadcn latest. It will ask what type of color you want, so let's go with the neutral. So wait a second, it will install all the dependencies whatever it needed. Okay, after that we will go with a new command, that is add button. We want to show how the Shadcn is working or not, so just install this command add button, and this is the command. And after installing it, you need to go with app.tsx file and copy this and paste into app.tsx file. Something are written there, but you need to delete this. There you need to delete this, and after that paste your code whatever you have copied, which is you have copied in the previous documentation from there. Okay, after doing this, click in OK, save the file, and there we have a package.json. There we have a type module, and we are using a script of a dev. So just run npm run dev and it will do their work. Okay, so just click there, and this is how the Shadcn is look like. Our button is imported in the localhost of 5173. Okay, this is a basic structure of Shadcn. This is basic installation of a Shadcn project. So I hope this video is good for you. So thank you for this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.